Good morning, everybody. Uh, I know challenges and problems always bring opportunities. It was the last week of the financial year when budget was going to be released to all the stakeholders. We had interview of NSP fixed on 17th March. We had a workshop of tribal talent pool fixed on 12th March and 3rd April. There was a tribal festival which was going to be organized. All tickets and travels were already booked. All schools closed down. Tribal migrants started coming back to the cities. It was the peak season for selling of minor forest produce. Tribal artisans were not able to sell their products. Lakhs of students who are dependent upon the scholarships, they were also waiting for their amounts to be released. Various tribal research institutions which were doing the surveys at the field level, they were also not in a position to do that. So what was the solution for this? The only solution was digitalization. Our entire office was paperless even before COVID. So not even a single file was paper file. So as far as our office is concerned, we were able to process all the files on e-office in the last week of March. And even on 29th of March, when physically some of the papers are to be sent to the accounts office, we were able to release 1,000 crores on a single day just by click of a mouse. As all of you know, DBT mission is a silent revolution, and our vision of Honorable Prime Minister on DBT. So we were able to release 1,000 crores in the accounts of the scholars and in the accounts of the NGOs and to the state governments uh, in the on the even last day. And in last 3 months, we have released about 25 crores of rupees through DBT. So schools are doing e-classes. We opened the Heart Bazaars also with the help of the Ministry of Home Affairs. But then we shifted to e-commerce and e-market. We also, during this period, came through Sickle Cell Support Corner, for which portal was launched by Honorable Minister. We also developed online repository of tribal research. For resolving issue of tribal migrants, we also developed tribal migrant repository. And last but not the least, since you are saying I have a very few time, only 2 minutes, all the festivals which are to be held physically, we just ensured we are coming with a digital platform, and from the next week all the festivals, they will be happening on the Facebook live page. And 750 tribal groups, they will be showing their art and culture, and even painting competitions we are planning to hold it on through e-medium this week. So all our interministerial meetings now, they are happening on through Zoom, through our video. In the last, even during lockdown, we have NGOs which are located on the Leh Ladakh border, on the China border, in remotest of the area. We always feel that it is only the big cities where we have this connectivity. But I'm happy to inform that the selection process of the NGOs was totally done through VCs. We were able to connect with 80 NGOs from all over the India. So I can proudly say what we have done in last 3 months during this period of lockdown, it was not even possible in 1 year. Now we don't have any physical travel, no wastage of time, unnecessary expenditure has reduced. My junior staffs are also working from home. What we did, we gave their official PCs at their homes. We gave them internet connections also. Even at 9 o'clock in the evening, we are just conversing through the Zoom meetings and